We are still in business. No vacation, no day off. 247. We are taking orders. Send a DM anytime at all, day or night, bro. We don't sleep for this side. Our customer satisfaction is our concern. Every other thing, duro, fast. For every fast replies, we are active. For good rates, nobody but that. What of fast payment? When you confirm the speed, you go shout up for Jesus to show me that. As last e-commerce, we dey play in the show. Nothing evidence day. Gift card credit is our mission on earth. Nobody does it better, you can ask around. We know they discriminate for card though. Any valid card is welcome at last e-commerce. Which card do you get? Amazon, Vanilla, Godresa, eBay, Google, Steam. Which one there your hand? Carry and come last e-commerce. Godresa go humble you. Get started today, slide into our WhatsApp via the number below. Our customers are always ahead because we give them the best rates and services globally. Just like Coyote and Mula Form.